Here's a detailed technical analysis of the gold versus USD, XAU USD 1-hour chart, May 9th, 2025. Chart summary, 1H timeframe. Current price, 3,309, daily change, plus 875, plus 0.27%. Indicators present. Moving averages, adaptive. 20 MA, yellow, 3,324.21. 50 MA, orange, 3,331.16. 200 MA, pink, 3,360, 8. RSI 14, 36.85. Technical insights. In trend direction. Price is below the 20, 50, and 200 adaptive MAs, confirming a short-term bearish trend. All moving averages are sloping downward, suggesting sustained bearish pressure. The 20 MA is below the 50 and 200 MAs, confirming a continuation of the short-term downtrend. 2. Price action. The price recently rejected from around 3,275 and is struggling to regain momentum. Recent candles show wicks on both ends, indicating market indecision or a possible pullback attempt. 3. Support and resistance. Immediate resistance. Around 3,324, 3,331, 20, and 50 MAs. Major resistance around $3,360, $200 MA. Support zone 3,274, 3,250. Recent price floor before the bounce. 4. RSI analysis. RSI is at 36.85, which is near the oversold region. Below 30 is considered oversold. Indicates bearish momentum, but suggests a potential short-term bounce or bullish divergence setup if price forms a higher low. Outlook and strategy. Bearish bias short-term. As long as price remains below the 20-50 MAs and fails to reclaim 3,331, 3,360, the market remains in a bearish state. Shorting opportunities could be considered near resistance zones with tight stop-loss above 3,360s. Possible bullish reversal conditions. A strong candle closing above $3,331, especially with volume, might indicate a potential reversal. RSI moving above 40-45 would confirm a momentum shift.